Have you ever wondered how Bitcoin, the world's first cryptocurrency, can become an investment opportunity for you? Let's take a quick trip back to 2009, when an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin to the world. This wasn't just any currency, it was a decentralized digital currency, free from the control of any government or institution. Over the years, Bitcoin has experienced a phenomenal growth, soaring to unprecedented heights and capturing the attention of investors worldwide. What started as a fringe concept has now become a mainstream investment tool. Its volatile nature can make it a high-risk, high-reward asset, and its potential to revolutionize financial systems has made it a hot topic among investors. But what does all this mean for you? Well, it means that Bitcoin could potentially be a part of your investment portfolio. Now that you've got a glimpse of Bitcoin's potential, you might be wondering how you can start investing. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process. Before diving into Bitcoin investment, it's crucial to understand the basic terms and principles. Let's start with blockchain, the technology that underpins Bitcoin. It's a public, decentralized ledger of all transactions, keeping everything transparent and secure. Then we have mining. This is a process where powerful computers perform complex calculations to add new transactions to the blockchain, earning Bitcoins as a reward. Moving on, we have wallets and exchanges. A wallet is like your personal bank account for storing and managing your Bitcoins. Exchanges, on the other hand, are platforms where you can buy and sell Bitcoins, much like a stock market. Now, let's touch on supply and demand. Bitcoin's price is determined by how much people are willing to pay for it. It's as simple as that. Lastly, we must discuss volatility. Bitcoin's value can fluctuate wildly in short periods, which makes it potentially profitable but also risky. With these essential terms and principles at your fingertips, you're now ready to take the first step into Bitcoin investment. The first step to investing in Bitcoin is setting up a Bitcoin wallet. Now, what exactly is a Bitcoin wallet? Think of it as your digital pocketbook, a place where you can store, send, and receive Bitcoin. Quite innovative, isn't it? There are several types of wallets you can choose from depending on your needs. Online wallets are accessible from any device with an internet connection, offering convenience at your fingertips. Mobile wallets, on the other hand, are apps on your smartphone, allowing you to pay with Bitcoins in physical stores. If security is your utmost concern, hardware wallets, which store your Bitcoin offline, might be your best bet. And then we have paper wallets. These are physical printouts of your public and private keys and can be a safe way to store Bitcoin if handled correctly. Remember, the security of your Bitcoin wallet is paramount. Keep it locked down and your Bitcoin safe. Once your Bitcoin wallet is set up and secured, you're ready for the next step, buying your first Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin is the next step in your investment journey. Now that you've got your wallet set up, it's time to make a purchase. First things first, you'll need to select a trusted cryptocurrency exchange. There are many options out there, but it's crucial to choose a platform that's reputable, user-friendly, and secure. Some popular choices include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Do your research, compare fees and features, and pick the one that best suits your needs. Once you've created an account on your chosen exchange, you'll need to link your bank account or credit card. This process can vary from platform to platform, but generally, you'll find an option to link a new account or add payment method in the settings or profile section. You'll then be guided through a series of steps to connect your bank or card, which may include providing some personal information and completing a verification process. Now you're ready to buy some Bitcoin. Navigate to the trading or buy-sell page on your exchange, select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies, and enter the amount you'd like to purchase. You can usually choose to buy in terms of a specific dollar amount or a specific amount of Bitcoin. After confirming all the details, click Buy. Once your order is processed, you'll see the Bitcoin appear in your exchange wallet. But remember, it's safer to keep your Bitcoin in your personal wallet rather than on the exchange. So you'll want to transfer your new Bitcoin to your wallet. To do this, you'll need to enter your wallet's address in the Send or Withdraw section of the exchange. One important point to remember when buying Bitcoin is to only invest what you can afford to lose. The value of Bitcoin can be volatile, and like any investment, it comes with risks. Congratulations on buying your first Bitcoin, but remember, the journey doesn't end here. Now that you own Bitcoin, it's time to manage and grow your investment. Taking the first step into the world of Bitcoin is a significant achievement, but the journey doesn't end there. The strategies you employ to manage and grow your investment can make all the difference. One of the most important strategies is regular monitoring. Bitcoin's value can fluctuate quite a bit, so keeping an eye on these changes is crucial. There are numerous apps and websites available that can help you track the value of your Bitcoin in real time. Another strategy worth considering is diversification. As the saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. While Bitcoin may be the most well-known cryptocurrency, it's not the only one. By diversifying your portfolio with other cryptocurrencies, you can spread out risk and potentially reap the benefits of multiple successful investments. The concept of selling high and buying low is a fundamental principle in any form of investment, and Bitcoin is no exception. This involves selling Bitcoin when its value is high and buying more when its value drops. However, timing the market can be challenging. It's essential to remember that the value of Bitcoin can be unpredictable, so you must approach this strategy with caution. Staying updated with the latest Bitcoin news and trends is also vital. The world of cryptocurrency moves fast, and staying informed will allow you to make informed decisions about your investment. Follow reputable news sources, join online forums, and engage in discussions about Bitcoin to stay in the loop. Lastly, remember the importance of long-term holding. While it's tempting to sell when prices spike, remember that Bitcoin has shown substantial long-term growth over the years. Holding onto your Bitcoin for the long term could potentially yield greater returns. With these strategies, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy Bitcoin investor. Remember, patience and informed decisions are key in this exciting world of cryptocurrency.